Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Today we will see how to make a paper wolf. So let's start. First fold the paper into half. This is how it will look. Then draw a wolf. Now take a black gel pen. You can take other black pens also, but gel pen is the best, and border the wolf. After bordering, take a eraser and erase the wolf so that the pencil marks are erased. Now start coloring. First take the silver color near the eyes of the wolf and start coloring the wolf. The grey color will also work. Now take a black color and slightly color it on the upper part of the wolf. Now take a Fevicol and stick the wolf. While applying the glue, you have to make sure that you put a little glue on the body and not on the legs. Now our wolf is ready to cut. Let's cut the wolf. Now our wolf is ready to stand. So open its front legs and hind legs so that it can stand. So this is how the wolf will look after standing. So this is the pack of our wolves. This baby wolf is howling with its mother, and this is the wolf which we have made. And these are some of the animals which I have made. This is a baby elephant. This is the critically endangered orangutan. And here comes a baby puma. Here is a okapi. Here is a grizzly bear. Here is the saola or the Asian unicorn. Then we have the endangered honey badger. After that the quagga. This is a zebra. This is a baby wolf howling. This is its mother. This is the black tiger. This is a baby rattle or the honey badger. This is a zebra. This is the wolf which we made. This is a white tiger. We also have the deer, the koala, the adorable baby deer, and here comes the baby okapi, the gharial crocodile, the king cheetah, and the majestic snow leopard. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.